Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to outline your content that you're going to deliver to your customer. Now, for this one, I'm going to take one of my passions, which is to play tennis, and I'm going to create a product. Now, I don't actually sell content on how to hit better kick serves, or anything related to tennis, but it's a topic that I know really well. So I'm just going to save this. I'm not going to upload an image. This is really just a demo. So I'm starting with a brand new product. And so once I've done this, you can go under the tab here. So under Kick Serve Secrets, or whatever your product is called, you're going to see this content tab. So let's go ahead and click on that. And this is where we can outline the course content that's going to be delivered. So you probably already, so if you've already created your course content, then you probably already have modules or chapters, and then you have lessons inside of that. But I'm just going to go through this real quick and show you how, even if you're starting from scratch, you could start to brainstorm what this would be like. Now, and you're going to get to learn how to use Voma. So I'm going to click the plus sign next to new module, and that's going to create a new module. So I think you know what a module is, but also think of it as a section. Okay, so this might be getting started, and I'm going to leave. I'm not going to put in any lessons at the moment. I'm just going to create the module. So I'm going to create the big headings. So another thing that I could add in here would be the toss. All right, so you toss the ball, and I could also talk about foot placement and where to stand. All right. And I could talk about the racket motion. I could talk about common mistakes. All right. And let's see here, go through here. Another thing could be for first serve tips, first serve and second serve tips. And I could put in final thoughts, and I could also put in a section for bonus interviews. Great. Okay, so now I have my main sections. Now, I want to move foot placement above the toss. I can just drag it up there, and it's as easy as that. Now, inside of each module, you can create a new lesson. So I will click to create a new lesson, and what you're going to do is just type the name of the lesson and then click the check mark. So this one could be watch this first, and then there could be another one. So a new lesson could be what you're going to learn, or no, where to get help. All right, now if I ever need to reorder this, it's as simple as just click and drag, so I can change it just that easily. Okay, so under toss, I could do, mistakes to avoid. I could do drills, and then maybe I have something in here called, or let's see here, I could, the secret Kung Fu grip. I don't know what this is. I'm making this up. Secret Kung Fu grip for the perfect toss. Something like that. And the rainbow toss revealed. Okay, great. So you can see I can start to build out my content here, and you can do the same. So if you already have your content, then you just need to go in and start to create your structure. It doesn't have to be super complicated. I would recommend that you keep it as simple as possible, but the idea behind modules, and by the way, as you can see here, if you want to create one right in the middle, you don't have to click to create one at the end and then drag it up, which you could do. You can just hover over in between two existing modules, and you can just click a new module. So actually, I should probably show you real quick how you can delete a module. So let's say this is a bad idea module. Okay, so I decide that I no longer want this. And so what I'm going to do over here on the right hand side, I'm going to click and I'm going to delete the module. So are you sure you want to delete it? This can't be undone. Yes, go ahead and delete it. Okay, so there we are. So that's how you can quickly outline your course. Now in the next video, I'm going to get into exactly how you put the content into each of the lessons, but hopefully you've seen how quick and easy it is to outline and structure your course content so that when it is purchased or when someone gets access to your content, they can very easily navigate through your course content. So let's go ahead and jump into the next video, and I'll show you how to start creating the actual content in your course.